Hello everyone, Adri here. As you can see, I have had my Mova Z60 on the Mova Z70 dock inside. I will try to make a map on my house and see if it will work with my old Z60. And after I will show the difference between the Z60 that is inside of the dock and the Z70 here. As you can see, the robot is going outside to map my house now. So let's see after that. As you can see, the robot has finished to make the map of my house, and is going inside of the docking station. And I will try to send out to clean. Let's see. He is going inside the docking station. Yes, he's inside without a problem. Let's wait some seconds.
Mapping completed.
Yes, mapping completed.
Charging.
Now it's charging. I have started the robot now to clean my house. Let's see if we will start to clean the mop.
Mop pads.
Only to let you know that my Z60 have a problem with the roller mop, so I don't know if it will work as it must be, but right now it's cleaning the mop in the right way. Let's see after that. Yes, as you can see, the robot has just cleaned the mop and start to clean my house now without a problem. Let's see, because this one have a problem with the roller mop, but let's see if we will start to clean. But everything was correct, just incredible, just incredible. Wow! As you can see, the robot is just cleaning and mopping my house. The roller had a problem, so it's not rotating, but it's working like it must be. This is just crazy. The robot have just finished cleaning my corridor here, and it's going back to charge and clean the mop on the station for the Z70 Ultra. So this is the same company but two different robots, and the station can work with both robots. So this is just incredible. Auto emptying is working normally. Yes, without a problem. Let's see when it will clean the mops. Yeah, it's working that one as well. Wow.
The water in the clean water tank is insufficient.
Everything has worked perfectly. The Z60 can work with the station of the Z70 without a problem. You can map, you can clean. It's like a normal one. I don't know. I just have no words to say. I have heard before from other users, but now that is true. So if you have another station, you can just use one robot for sure. Wow.